Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to speeding up your WordPress website. So there are many plugins to optimize. I am going to use WP Optimize. So go to your admin dashboard and then click on the plugins, add new plugins. Okay. Let's search WP Optimize. Okay, as I have already installed before, let's activate it. Okay, refresh the website. Okay, you can see there is an option that you can see there is WP Optimize. Click on it. So here you can see database, images, caches, minify. In database, if you want, you can select any of them and then click on the run all selected optimizations. Images, you can automatically reduce the image size if needed. Caches, you can remove the caches and you can select enable page caching. That will automatically detect and configure itself optimally for your site. Minify, you can select enable minify. That JavaScript and CSS on this website will be concat and minified, and the HTML will be minified. You can also adjust the settings in the tabs above to control its to meet your requirements. With the help of these plugins, you can speeding up your WordPress website. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.